Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a delightful dish that's a staple in Japanese homes, Kinpira Gobo. This dish features the earthy flavors of burdock roots and carrot, stir-fried to perfection with a hint of spice from red chili peppers. It's crunchy, it's flavorful, and it's packed with nutrition. Let's get cooking! First, prepare the vegetables. Let's cut the carrot, slice it thinly along the fibers, and then cut it into stripes. If using unpeeled burdock roots, scrub it well to remove any dry. Today we are using pre-washed burdock, so a quick rinse under water will do. Slice the burdock roots diagonally, then line them up and cut them into stripes. Immediately after cutting, soak in water. Burdock roots is very dark and turn brown when the cut end is exposed to air. To prevent discoloration, soak in water immediately after cutting to remove dullness. The main component of scum is polyphenol. If you leave it on for a long time, the ingredients will wash out and the flavor will deteriorate. So make sure to do this for no more than 5 minutes. Heat sesame oil and red chili pepper in a pan. Once hot, add the drained burdock roots. Stir-fry the burdock roots over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. Then add the carrot and continue to stir fry until tender. Remove from the heat to add water and sugar, then return to heat to dissolve the sugar. Stop the heat again to add sake, soy sauce, and mirin. Then cook off the liquid over a slightly high heat about 2 minutes. Once done, cover and let it sit for a while off the heat. This allows the flavor to melt together beautifully. Plate up the Kinpira Gobo and sprinkle with white sesame seeds for the final touch. The crunchy texture of the burdock roots and carrot, combined with the umami they release and the spicy kick from the chili peppers, makes for an irresistible side dish that will thoroughly enhance your meal and stimulate your appetite. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you so much for joining us today on this culinary adventure. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this Kinpira Gobo as much as we do. It's a simple yet satisfying dish that brings the warmth of Japanese home cooking right to your table. If you like this recipe, please give us a thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!